Hello, it's Brent with ZechBuysHouses LLC. Brent buys houses fast. We're at 854 Hayloft Lane in Fountain, Colorado. Here with my boy Zechariah. He's checking out the house, interested in everything. This is a house that has already started a rehab on. It's a guy that called us off of one of our bandit signs, our I buy houses signs, and he's already started fixing the property up. However, he was doing it from across the country. So he's on the east side of the United States, and he had actually called us and asked if we were legitimate, because he never really actually thought that people physically answered the phone calls from these signs. We definitely answer ours. We try and do it live. That way when people need help immediately, need to sell a house fast, whether they need cash or they need to close quickly, or they don't even want to use a realtor, we'll definitely buy the property from them. This property will hopefully be closing here very soon. We're just waiting on some court documents to come back. There's a little bit of an issue with the title on this property. So we do fix title problems too. We do whatever we have to make the problems go away. That way the sellers can move on and do what they've got to do and move across the country and get on with their lives. Thanks for coming in, checking us out. Zech Buys Houses LLC. Brent buys houses fast.